Hello there, I got a very special truck behind me here today. I'm gonna be getting you familiar with it. It's a new arrival here at Lafontaine Classic Cars. We're gonna kick it off right up front and get a good idea of this truck's condition and show you the interior and fire it up too. Starting off up front, it's very evident this truck has been thoroughly restored. The finish on the paint, the finish on the chrome and the bright work. This bumper looks flawless. It looks brand new. The bow tie front and the center looks lovely. On the 67 and 68 C10s, you get this nice slant nose. And 68, you got the lovely box lettering from Chevrolet, all of which looks brand new. Now this hood, we lift it off. So you've got factory 327 V8 underneath here. You've got a Rochester 4-barrel and all the factory equipment. So it's got power brakes, power steering down there, factory air conditioning. See, this one's been upgraded with a 3-inch aluminum radiator. We've got the factory clutch fan on the motor. Several other new components in and around this puppy. Plenty of new gaskets and seals on this motor. Alternator looks to be new, hoses look new, belts look new. The list goes on and on. This front radiator support, original to the truck, it looks awesome. Even left the original sticker. Good sign of how this truck was cared for. I'll show you this closing up now. Smooth action, just like it should have. 4-wheel drive badge. You rarely see those on trucks of this generation, especially short beds. There's only 1,400 K10 short bed 4x4s ever built. It is really cool to see one restored in this original condition. All new badging, new bright work, new body side moldings, wheels and tires all look factory fresh as well. Chrome on the door handle looks immaculate. This must be a new piece. Mirrors and badging. I don't see any scratches in the glass either. And the 15-inch truck rallies just look great on here. Got a nice aggressive looking tire. The bed has been refinished. The wheel tubs and inner bed walls are in a body color bed liner material, while the bed floor has remained black. It looks very good. Free of any patchwork too, of course. Back here, the chrome looks brand new. I love the white Chevrolet lettering going down the tailgate. Looks like we have brand new taillight lenses. Got a nice dual exhaust underneath there. And you saw too, we have a 2-inch receiver hitch in case you gotta put this truck to work. Bed sides are nice and laser straight. I do have a mark here to tell you about, a spot of touch up. No bubbling, no rust. Really good and straight down this side of things. Big back window. Looks like it's a new piece of glass with brand new seals. As we continue down the side of the truck, we've got good consistent gaps. The body side molding again looks awesome. The bow tie and the fender looks awesome. Now let's check out the interior. Whew, nice, good release on the door latch. Door edges are nice and clean. Rockers look great, cab corners look good. Inside of here, I mean, everything all redone. Nice new seat cover. We've got a factory 3-spoke wheel done in the gold, which looks awesome. Horn button, the chrome on that looks awesome. In front of that, we've got our factory instruments. Not a ton going on. We've got the factory speedo, which goes up to 70 miles per hour. There's 20,900 miles on the clock. Below that, we got gauges for coolant temp and oil pressure. Moving over one more, we've got our factory AC vents. You'll see one on either side and the one dead here in the center. We've got an upgraded radio. It's got AM, FM, Bluetooth, aux, and USB hookup, so you can definitely play your sounds through it. Have the factory ashtray still present here. The switchboard for the AC controls. This is brand new, as is the heater box. Regular factory ignition switch. NP205 transfer case below that. Here's our shifter to do so. Got our 4-speed manual. And then up above on the roof of the cab here, there's the factory sticker that shows you how to operate that transfer case, which is pretty cool. Dash pad all looks to be new. Glove box door working as it should. Nice clean liner. Cool, we'll fire it up. Well, thank you for checking this out. Quick recap on this thing. Factory original 4x4 short bed. Very hard to come by. Not many of them still in this kind of condition. Truck is out of North Carolina. She's beautiful, has a ton of great factory options. And as we know, the price of gold's been going up. If you want to get in on this one, give us a shout at any time. It's 248-714-2110, or you can drop us an email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. We'll leave all that information down below in the description of this video, along with a link. That link will take you over to view the full listing of this truck on our website. We put out 100+ pictures underneath them, pictures all the way around them. We got some paperwork, some receipts on this. That'll be present there too. Once more, thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. It's free to do, and that will get you in tune with our latest arrivals YouTube season first. And here it is for you. Thanks, guys.